Good morning, students. Yesterday I discussed about the chapter Heron's formula and we solved some questions based on Heron's formula. Okay. Basically, Heron's formula used for finding the area of triangle whose when three sides are given. Like in this way, if any triangle ABC, in any triangle ABC, if ABC are the sides of the triangle ABC, then we use the Heron's formula, that is equal to delta. The area of the triangle also represent at sin delta is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Here S be the semi perimeter. Okay, here S is what? Semi perimeter, right? And yesterday I discussed about that value, that the value of S is, you know, that A plus B plus C upon 2. Sum of all sides of the triangle by 2. This is the formula for semi perimeter of the triangle. Okay? Yes. Today we solve some another questions based on Heron's formula. Let's see. Let's see your next question. Question of based on Heron's formula is the perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is 450 centimeter. Okay, the perimeter of a triangle is 450 centimeter. And its sides are, and its sides are in the ratio 13 is to 12, 13 is to 12 is to 5. Okay, 13 is to 12 is to 5. Now find the area of the triangle. Okay, your question is find the area of the triangle. Okay, let's see. Now let's solve it. Here the perimeter of the triangle. The perimeter of the triangle is 450 centimeter. Na? Yes. Since first of all we write given. What is given? Perimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is 450 centimeter. And we know that the semi perimeter is what? Perimeter by 2, the value of S. So we find the first of all value of S is let 450 by 2. 450 by 2. That is we get 225 centimeter. This is the value of semi perimeter. Okay, now here the sides of the triangle are in the ratio 13 is to 12 is to 5 na. So now let the sides of the triangle are what? 13x, 12x and 5x respectively. Okay, let the sides of the triangle are 13x, 12x and 5x respectively. So you know that the perimeter is 450 na, and you know that the sum of all sides of any triangle, any geometrical figure is known as the perimeter. So sum of its all sides, that is A plus B plus C is equal to what? 450. So we have the first side is 13x plus B is 12x plus 5x is equal to 450. So we get what? 30x is equal to 450. So the value of x is what? 450 upon 30, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, so the value of x is 15 centimeters. Now then all sides are, let's see, then all sides are, let's see, first sides is what, 13x, second one 12x, third one 5x. Okay, so first sides is what, 13x, that is 13 into the value of x is 15 na? So here we put 15. Okay, so your first side is what, 195 centimeter. We multiply 13 into 5 into 15 na? Now another side is what, the value of b is 12x, so 12 into x, that is 12 into x is what, 15. Now we multiply 12 and 15, 15 to the 180 centimeter, 180 centimeter. Now your third size c is what, 5x, so 5 into the value of x is 15, that is 75 centimeter. Okay, now let's see, in this way we find the all three sides of the triangle. We find all three sides of the triangle na? Okay, now when three sides are given, for here their question is the find the area of the triangle. So we use the Heron's formula to find the area of triangle ABC, because of now all its three sides is to be find. Okay, now let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All three sides should be given, and since semi perimeter is 225 centimeter and first side is 195 centimeter, second one 180 centimeter, and third one is 75 centimeter. So by Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC, suppose that ABC be any triangle, is given by the formula S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, now we put all the values in this formula. Let's see. S, the value of semi perimeter is 225 into 225 minus the value of A is 195. Okay, multiply S minus B. 225 minus B means what? 180 into S minus C. 225 minus 75. Okay, now after solving it, we get 225 multiplied by 225 minus 195, that is 30, multiplied by 225 minus 80, that is 45, multiplied by 225 minus 75, that is 150. Okay, now let's see. Here the square root of 225 is 15. Now we split that. Here that is 6 into 5, 6 into 5 into 9 into 5 into this is 25 into 6. Okay, now let's see, that is 15 into, here 6 and 6 are in pair, so 1 6 is common out from the sides, same as 5 is in pair, so 5 is common out. The square root of 9 is 3 multiplied by the square root of 25 is 5, right? So 5 is common out. Now we multiply all the values. 15 6 is 90 multiplied by 75. We get what? Yes, centimeter square. 6750 centimeter square. This is what? This is the area of the required triangle. This is the area of the required triangle is 6750. Okay. So dear students, in this way you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on Heron's formula. Okay, now let's see some another questions based on Heron's formula. Okay, let's see. Now let's see some other question based on Heron's formula. Okay, let's see. Next question is find the area of a quadrilateral. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD in which side AB is equal to 7 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, CD is equal to 7 centimeter, CD is equal to CD is equal to 12 centimeter. CD is equal to 12 centimeter. DA is equal to 15 centimeter. DA is equal to 15 centimeter, and AC is equal to 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. Okay. Here your question is find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Let's see its solution. First of all, we draw a quadrilateral. Okay, A, B, C, D. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AC is diagonal, which is given as 9 centimeter. Okay, and the side AB is what? 7 centimeter, and the side BC is what? 6 centimeter. CD is what? 12 centimeter. DA is what? 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Okay. Now, for finding the area of the quadrilateral ABCD, first we find the area of triangle ABCD. ABC. Then we find the area of triangle ABC by using the Heron's formula. Then after, for finding the area of the quadrilateral ABCD, we add area of both the triangle, that is area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ABC. So in this way we get the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, let's see. First we find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, first for triangle ABC, okay, in which all three sides is to be given, not to be given. Now first side is 7, second one 6 centimeter, and third one 9 centimeter. All three sides are given for triangle ABC. Now for finding the area of that triangle, we will use the Heron's formula. Let's see. First of all, we find as A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 7 plus 6 plus 9 by 2. Now we get what? 7 6 13, 13 on 9 22, 22 upon 2, that is 11 centimeter. This is the semi perimeter of the triangle. Now since area of triangle ABC, we use the Heron's formula. Okay, S, that is 11 into 11 minus A means what? 7 into S minus B. B means 6 into S minus C. S means what? 11 minus C means what? 9. Okay, now let's see. 11 into 11 minus 7, what I get? 4. Okay, 11 minus 6, that is 5. 11 minus 9, that is 3. That is 3 na? Okay, now what I get? 11 fours are, we multiply all the values, we get what? Under root 11 fours are 44 into 5 threes are 15. So here we get what? Square root what? 15 fours are 6. Can it 6? 64. 6 5, 9 minus 3 11, 11 minus 7 6 9, so we get 11 into 4. Okay, sorry, here 11 minus 9, that is 2 na? Okay, then we get 11 fours are 44 into 5 twos are 10, that is under root 440. The square root of 440 is what? 20 point something, that is 20.98. 20.98 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle ABC. Okay? This is the area of triangle ABC. Now in the same way we find the area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC or ACD. Okay, let's see. Let's see. For triangle ADC, for triangle ADC, let's see. One side is to be 15, another side 9, and third side C is equal to 12 centimeter. Now, since the value of S is what? A plus B plus C upon 2, that is A means 15 plus 9 plus 12 by 2, that is 15 plus 12, that is 27, 27 9, 36 upon 2, that is 80 centimeter. So the semi perimeter of the triangle ACD is 18 centimeter. Okay, now by using Heron's formula we find the area of triangle ADC. Okay, now area of triangle ADC is equal to what? S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So here we get the value of S is 18 into S minus A, 18 minus A, 15 into 18 minus B, B means what? 9 into S minus C, that is 18 minus C, C means what? 12. So we get what? 18 minus 15, that is 3 now. 18 minus 9, that is 9. 18 minus 12, that is 6. 6 now. Okay. So we get what? Here we factorize 18. 6 3 is 18. That is 3 into 9 into 6. So we get what? 6 is in pair. So 6 is common out. 3 also in pair. That is 3 common out. The square root of 9 is what? 3. Then 54 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle ACD. Okay, which is equal to 54 centimeter square. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to what? Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Now we get 20.98 plus area of triangle ADC is 54. So we get 74.98 centimeter square. This is the required answer. So dear student, in this way we find the area of any quadrilateral ABCD. Any quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Okay. So first we find the area of triangle ABC, then we find the area of triangle ADC. Now we add both the areas, then we find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. So in this way, in this method, we find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Yes. Now we solve some another questions. We take one and some other type of questions. Let's see. Let's see next question. Find the area of a rhombus. The area of the rhombus whose perimeter is 80. Whose perimeter is 80 meters and one of whose diagonals is 24 meter. Okay, this is your question. The question is find the area of the rhombus, and you know that for rhombus all sides are equal and the diagonals of the rhombus bisects the rhombus. That is suppose that ABCD is a rhombus and AC is the diagonals, then diagonals of a rhombus bisects each other. Bisects the rhombus means area of triangle ABC is always equal to area of triangle ABC. Okay. Now let's solve it. And for rhombus, in rhombus all sides are equal now. Let A be the side of rhombus. Side of rhombus, then perimeter is 4 into side. So we get, and here perimeter is what? 80 meter na. So 4 into A is equal to 80 meters. So the value of each sides of the rhombus is 80 upon 4, that is 20 meter. 20 meter is each sides of the rhombus, that is 20 meter, 20 meter, 20 meter, and that is also equal to 20 meter. And each of one diagonal is 24, and diagonal third, that diagonal AC is equal to what? 24 meter. Now here let's see all three sides A, B, C is to be given now. So all three sides of triangle. Now for triangle ABC, for triangle ABC, first side 20 meter, second other also 20 meter, and third let's see is equal to 24 meter. Now the value of semi perimeter of the triangle A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 20 plus 20 plus 24 upon 2, that is 40 plus 24 upon 2, that is 64 upon 2, that is 32 meter. So the value of semi perimeter is 32 meter. Okay, now the area of the triangle, ABC is, by using the formula S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay. So we get, let's see, area of triangle ABC is equal to S. The value of S is 32. 32 minus A means 20. 20 into 32 minus 24. So we get what? Let's see, 32 into 32 minus 20, that is 12. 12, 6. Sorry. 32 minus 24, that is 8. Now let's see. 8 into 4 into 12 square into 8. So let's see, 8 is in pair, so 8 is common out from the sides. The square root of 4 is 2, and 12 is in square, so 12 common out. Then 8 to the 16 into 12, that is we get 12 6 are 72, carry 7. 192 meter square. This is the area of triangle ABC. Okay, 192 meter square. Okay, now area of rhombus, then area of rhombus ABCD is what? 2 into area of triangle ABC, because of the diagonal of the rhombus bisects the rhombus. Then 2 into 192, that is 2 to the 4, 384 meter square. This is your final answer. Let's see, 384 meter square. This is the area of rhombus ABCD. In this way we find the area of rhombus ABCD. First, because of the diagonals of the rhombus bisects the rhombus. Okay, so dear students, you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on Heron's formula. Okay, this is very important question. First we find each side of the rhombus. Okay, and one diagonal is to be given. Then we find the area of triangle ABC. Then For finding the area of the rhombus ABCD, we just multiply by 2 in area of triangle ABC. In this way we get the area of the rhombus ABCD. Okay, thank you.